First, make sure you're shopping under my website, jillpizzak.saintofficial.com. Go to the shop tab and then go to our collections. Here you will find several different collections, but we're going to focus on number 4, number 8, and number 12. Specifically, collection number 8. Go to this little area that says Find Your Shades. Click on it. Now you will see examples of different skin tones and different levels. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So look at these photos and see which one best represents you. For me, it's level 4. So I click on level 4, add it to the bag, or go down here and look at what you're going to get. So you'll get 3 highlight shades, a contour, bronzer, 2 lip and cheeks, illuminator, the compact, and a brush. You're going to save about $32 here. Now add it to your bag, and there you go. You're set. You have all that you need.